morning, it's Miss Kathleen again. I'm back in a very different part of the world than I was a week ago. A week ago, I was in Tucson, Arizona, which is in a desert. And today, I wanted to tell you that even though we are in snowy Maine, you can visit almost anywhere online. Now, I have a link to the Desert Museum in Tucson. It's obviously closed, but you can look at their art gallery. You can look at some of their animals. And also, you can go on YouTube to see John Denver and the Muppets also celebrating a cowboy song. But Wolfie is here today to remind you that books can also take you a lot of different places. This is one of my favorites about the Southwest, the desert where I was, Two Cool Coyotes by Gillian Lund. So don't forget. And Wolfie is here to remind you that you can always sing or howl, whatever works for you. So today's song in honor of the Tucson desert is, ready? Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, woo, 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 woo! Where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day, woo, 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 woo! Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard, whoa, 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 a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. So greetings from sunny Maine, greetings from the York Public Library, and long distance greetings to all the coyotes, pumas, and capybaras that are waiting for you in Tucson.